needed a paint job bad. And I kept thinking I'd paint it, but never got around to it, so. And the windows were old windows, and they needed replaced, so yeah. Yeah, they were wood, old wood windows, with the weights on the end, you know, you had to lift up and down. And picture windows were double pane, but they're the old style, and you could never get any air through here. Salesman stopped by and went and wanted to know if I'd be interested, and then he got in contact with Tim, and we discussed the financial arrangements, showed me the siding and what it'd be. They did the siding and put the 3/4 inch foam between the siding and the house, and then they did the windows, which I was very impressed with. We put these windows in where we got sliders on them. I like the fresh air inside the house. Yeah, Energy Yard was great, had no problems. Well, like I said, it looks great. I've had a lot of compliments from people. Yeah, I'd recommend it. They did nice work, were very approachable if I had anything to ask them. Like I said, it seemed more quiet in the house too. I like it. I like it. It improved it 100%.